Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x minus 5 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify this expression. Let's get started. The first step in solving the problem is to factor the numerator, which is x squared minus 25. Factoring is a method we use to simplify expressions. In this case, we recognize that x squared minus 25 is a difference of squares. A difference of squares is an expression where one term is squared, another term is squared, and the two terms are subtracted. The general formula for factoring a difference of squares is a squared minus b squared equals open a plus b close times open a minus b close. Here, x squared represents a squared and 25 represents b squared. So, x squared minus 25 can be written as x squared minus 5 squared. Using the difference of squares formula, x squared minus 5 squared equals open x plus 5 close times open x minus 5 close. Now our expression is changed from x squared minus 25 over x minus 5 to open x plus 5 close times open x minus 5 close over x minus 5. In the second step, we move to simplify the expression from the factored form. Now we have the expression x plus 5 times x minus 5 over x minus 5. Next, we look for common factors in the numerator and the denominator that we can cancel out. In this case, we can see that x minus 5 appears in both the numerator and the denominator. When you have the same term in both the top and bottom of a fraction, you can cancel them out because any number divided by itself equals 1. So, by canceling out x minus 5 from both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with simply x plus 5. This is our simplified expression. Thus, the rational expression x squared minus 25 over x minus 5 reduces to x plus 5. This completes our solution. The simplified form of the original expression is x plus 5.